Why do 80% of smart goat farmers pick these breeds? Because they resist disease. They grow fast, they sell high, they cut costs and boost income. Here's the quick breakdown. First, Boer meat, giant, tropical tough, 120 kilos are males, huge demand, great for crossbreeding. Second, Osmanabadi dual-purpose Indian champ, 1 to 1.5 L milk, low feed twins common. Third, Sirohi, desert hardy, fast-growing, high survival, Eid market value. Bonus tips: clean water minerals deworm, 3 monthly, neem, Giloy weekly. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Farm smarter.